What's up, everybody? It's Wolf. How y'all doing today? Today we are back and we're vibing. I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably take the rubbers off of here so we have like more moto style foot pegs, if that makes sense. I may sand this down, and yeah, that's probably what we'll be doing, just hanging out talking about life and doing something in the background, you know? It's the typical vibe. But yeah, man, I've just been chilling. Like I said in the last video on Wednesday, I don't really have the money to buy the stuff yet for the mini bike, so here we are. Which isn't really a huge deal. My plan at this point, oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. I feel like that'll grip my shoes a lot better. My plan at this point, though, I just sold the lens to my old, well, I sold one of my old lenses, essentially, for my old camera, and I'm going to use the money that I got from that towards the stuff for the mini bike, which is why we're going to sand that wheel down. That way, when that stuff comes, it can hopefully be painted and sanded down. This is probably going to be pretty dark over here. I don't know if this will even fit underneath. Probably not, no. Don't let them tell you that you can't. Did I just tighten that? I think I did. I think I just overly tightened it. Unfortunately. Alright. Bada boom, bada bing. Put that back down on the kickstand. Yeah, yeetus. And then, man, that's a little bit difficult to just use my hip to hold it. The other one had a washer. There we go. The washer fell off. But yeah, that's why I was saying we'll probably just sand the wheel today, because I'm going to use the money from the lens sale to do that. I'm trying to sell my other lens as well as possibly sell my old camera. I didn't list my old camera for sale yet because I'm not sure if I really want to commit to selling the camera itself. I feel like it might be cool in several years down the line to have like a vintage old Canon. Well, that's not going to really work too well, is it? Unfortunate. There's not like an easy way to get in here. This ain't working. At least we tried. It worked a little bit over here. Got some of that bullshit, but I definitely need to get the triangle one. The triangle one's little. It'll fit in there a lot better. They make little triangles. That's bent. That's crazy. Bent the metal on this. That's okay though. But this could probably, yeah, this can fit in there pretty well. Well, that didn't work out very well, so I'm gonna have to go get the triangular sandpaper to do that. The Velcro ones. Probably have to go to Home Depot. I don't think Menards sells the ones for the Ryobi products, but I don't know. I like Menards because the rebates, man. You get the rebates and then you just get free money that you can, it's not necessarily free money, it's you just get your money back, so then you can spend more money there. And then you get rebates on top of your rebates, so I just like that aspect of it. I wish Home Depot had something like that, but super easy way to get like motocross style pegs, and I'm excited for that. One thing I'll say is I did a really long ride the other day with the Shorty, and I don't know, man, it's just loud. It's really loud. I don't know if I necessarily like it as much as I did. At least when you're going for like 2.5, 3 hours of riding, like it's pretty just in your ears. I was thinking maybe trying to turn it so that it points down more. Wow, it's just loose. Wow, I'm surprised that hasn't fallen off. That's hilarious. Barely on there. It must have rattled itself loose at this point. But I was thinking about like turning it down like that, see if that helps at all with the road noise. The fact that it's this loose is comical, to be honest. But I know that one of the exhaust companies, they make like a little deadening piece that you can put in between. That might help. I don't know. But the whole point was to make it loud, right? But the fact that it literally just pulled off is kind of concerning. So, is what it is. Let's go ahead and we'll do what I said, and we'll try to like place it so that it's pointing down more. I don't know if that will help with the sound at all. It very much might not, but we'll find out, you know? That's not coming off. So maybe it did like rattle itself a little loose, but we'll try that. We'll try it with like more of an off, like down angle like that, so it's shooting out behind you instead of how I had it. I had it like shooting sideways and like more up. I don't think it'll help that much, but maybe directing it behind the bike will help with the sound. I am so out of shape. Like, why am I out of breath from tightening that? I need to do more cardio. It's kind of sad. I don't really realize it while I'm like out riding my BMX. I don't know, like when I'm actually out riding and doing that, like that's not bad, but like when I'm doing little things like that, like there's a problem. I should not be this out of breath. Holy crap. But yeah, unfortunately the mini bike thing didn't work out. We did get some things done with the Rebel though that I've been wanting to do, and yeah, hopefully. I don't know if next Monday the parts will be here because I'm still waiting on the deposit from eBay to come into my account. So when that happens, we'll do that. I also need to do some stuff on my ST, like normal maintenance, so we'll probably do videos on that, like just brake change, pads, rotors, and then I got a rear suspension piece I need to switch out, and then we can try to diagnose a wheel bearing issue on it, so that'll be a fun video. But yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to try to get some progress on the wheel and have the wheel ready for when the parts do come. That way we can try to get it just ripping. And yeah, I think that'll probably do it for this video.